Hey everyone, it's Helga. In today's video, I'm showing you a super aesthetic version of these chunky beaded cherries that are perfect for a pendant. I already have a few cherry tutorials on my channel, but this style is such a classic and I really wanted to share this version with you too. For these cherries, I'm using 4mm glass rondelle beads in red and green. Go ahead and cut about 51 inches of 0.25mm clear fishing line. String 5 red beads and cross the other end through the last one. Center it on your line. Now add 4 red beads to the left line and cross the right end through the last one. Once you pull it tight, tuck the bottom wire into the nearest bead from the circle. On the left side, add 3 red beads and cross the right end through the last one. Pull it tight and tuck the bottom end into the next bead. Repeat that again. 3 red beads on the left and cross. Pull tight and tuck into the next bead. Repeat one more time. At this point, tuck the end into one more bead to connect it back to the start of the row. Pick up 2 red beads, cross through the last one. And tuck the right end into the nearest bead. This is what it should look like so far. Starting the next row, add 3 red beads to the left and cross the right end through the last one. After you pull it tight, weave the bottom wire through the 2 nearest beads from the previous row. On the left, add 2 red beads and cross through the last one. Again, weave the bottom wire through the 2 nearest beads. One more time. 2 red beads on the left and cross. Weave the bottom wire through the 2 nearest beads. Repeat that step. But this time, go through 1 extra bead to close the row. Add 1 last red bead and cross both ends through it. Weave the ends through the 4 beads in a circle until the 2 wires are right next to each other. Now string 5 green beads onto both ends of the line together for the cherry stem. On one line, pick up 5 green beads and loop that same line back through the second bead from the end. Pull it tight. Add 2 more green beads to this line and tuck it into the third free bead. We've got a leaf and we're halfway there. Now on the upper line, add 8 green beads. Loop that same line back into the second bead from the end. Add 2 more green beads and tuck the line into the third free bead. String 5 green beads onto both ends together to create the second stem. On one end, string 3 red beads, on the other, string 2. Take the side with 2 and cross through the last bead. Now add 4 red beads to the left and cross the right end through the last one. Pull it tight and tuck the bottom line into the nearest bead of the circle. On the left, add 3 red beads and cross through the last one. Pull tight and tuck the bottom end into the next bead. Again, 3 red beads on the left and cross. Pull tight and tuck into the next bead. Repeat one more time. Tuck the end into one more bead to connect back to the start of the row. Add 2 red beads. Cross through the last one. And tuck the right end into the nearest bead. Here's the progress. Starting the next row, add 3 red beads to the left and cross. After you pull it tight, weave the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads from the previous row. Add 2 red beads to the left and cross. Weave the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads. Repeat those steps again. This time, go through 1 extra bead to connect back to the start. Add 1 red bead and cross both ends through it. Weave the line ends through the 4 beads in a circle until they meet up. tie 2 or 3 knots and snip off the excess. Just add your hardware and your cherry pendant is ready. Let me know what I should make next. See ya!